Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to solve Ghost Touch problem in Android Redmi. Let's get started. Step 1. First, clean the screen. Dust, dirt, or even moisture on the screen can cause random touches. Take a soft, lint-free cloth and gently wipe the screen to remove any debris. Make sure there are no smudges left behind. Step 2. Now remove screen protectors and cases. Sometimes a poorly fitted screen protector or a tight phone case can interfere with touch sensitivity. Try removing them temporarily and check if the Ghost Touch problem stops. Step 3. Now restart your phone. A quick restart can fix minor software glitches that might be causing the issue. Press and hold the power button, then tap Reboot and tap again. Wait for the phone to reboot and see if the problem is resolved. Step 4. After the phone is back on, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on About Phone. This will give you access to system information and updates. Step 5. Now go to the MIUI version. Tap on it to check for any available updates. If an update is there, download and install it, as software bugs causing Ghost Touch are often fixed in newer versions. Step 6. Now return to the main Settings menu. Tap the search bar, type Developer Options, and open it. If it's enabled, try disabling it, as some developer settings can cause touchscreen issues. Step 7. If the problem still persists, go back to Settings. This time, search for Factory Reset in the search bar. Select the option that appears. Step 8. Now, tap on Erase All Data. Enter your password if prompted, then confirm the reset. Warning, this will delete all your data, so back up important files first. If even this doesn't work, visit a service center for professional help. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.